New Delhi, students with 4-year undergraduate degrees can now directly appear for NET and pursue PhD, according to University Grants Commission (UGC) Chairman Jagadish Kumar. To pursue a PhD with or without a Junior Research Fellowship (JRF), the candidates will require a minimum of 75% marks or equivalent grades in their 4-year undergraduate course. So far, a candidate for the National Eligibility Test (NET) needed a master's degree with a minimum of 55% marks. The exam this year will be conducted in offline mode instead of a computer-based test. Tests for all subjects will be conducted on June 16. The candidates with 4-year undergraduate degrees can now directly pursue PhD and appear for NET. Such candidates are allowed to appear for tests in a subject in which they want to pursue a PhD irrespective of the discipline in which they have obtained the 4-year bachelor's degree, Kumar said. Candidates having passed a 4-year or 8-semester bachelor's degree program should have a minimum of 75% marks in aggregate or its equivalent grade on a point scale wherever the grading system is followed, the UGC chairman said. A relaxation of 5% marks or its equivalent grade may be allowed for those belonging to SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer, differently abled, economically weaker sections and other categories of candidates as per the decision of the UGC from time to time, he added. The application process for the exam began on Saturday and will end on May 10. UGC NET is an exam to determine the eligibility of Indian nationals for the award of Junior Research Fellowship and appointment as Assistant Professor, and admission to PhD only in Indian universities and colleges.